I'm Juliet, and welcome to the second part of the novel template breakdown in Scrivener 3 for Windows. This part is about Compile. This is the Compile screen, which is currently set for direct print. There are no specific project formats in this template. They are all standard formats that are available in all templates. However, there are specific formats for manuscript, paperback, and proof copy. These can, of course, all be customised, but standard formats may be enough for your purposes. If you specifically select the .docs format from the pull-down menu, you'll see there's also an output for Vellum, which I believe is Mac only, but is probably there because some people have both systems. Each of the three print or paper formats is set up with different parts of the manuscript selected in the compile list, taking items from the front matter as well as the text where appropriate. The metadata fields here are blank, and these are where that extra information is taken from in some of those front matter pages, so these do need to be filled in, specifically the title and the author name sections. This part of the compile screen is the same for all outputs, so you only have to enter the information once. If we look at one of the ebook options, you'll see there is only one format relating to a novel, which is simply called ebook. Once again, it takes all the relevant pages from the binder and changes the front matter to the specific ebook options. The metadata fields are only used to populate the ebook's metadata rather than actually being inserted into the file's pages. You'll often see it across the top of an ebook page in your reader, so it is necessary. The other options in this panel are different from paper books because you get a place to choose your book cover from your binder if the default selection isn't correct, and to customize some of the table of contents settings. As a default, ebooks are set to auto-generate a table of contents. I do have some videos on customizing compile formats that were done quite some time ago, and I've learnt quite a lot about Scrivener 3 since then, so I'll be updating those in the not too distant future. In the meantime, you might want to check out this playlist for any questions you have.